Looking for a new home? This might be it. Today, we are going to show you this rare unit situated near MRT. Good size rooms. Spacious living room. Floor to ceiling windows let in plenty of natural light. Your family would love this. Enjoy your me moment at this balcony. High floor with unblocked view. Looks great, isn't it? Functional kitchenette for those who love to cook. Fully renovated. Let your imagination run wild to transform this house. Spacious bedrooms for your family. Spacious master bedroom that can fit a good-sized bed. Check out this uncommon facility. On-site laundrette for your laundry needs. Excellent amenities within walking distance. Amazing unit, isn't it? Make this your home today. Call our AAG Real Estate Consultant to find out more. AAG, the #1 top division in orange tea and tie.